Hi friends, myself Govind here. Today I am going to review very good product, how to keep our mobile in a good hygienic condition. The many of you may be knowing this product, and due to our busy schedules we will not be able to clean the mobile. So I have brought this product for you. Neither this company is sponsoring me nor I have paid by them. So basically this I used a product since 2 years. So after usage only I am telling you how this product is. The product name is Hamsa. You can see here it is a Hamsa. And what is the advantage of this product? Basically it is a antibacterial and antivirus product. Number 2, it is non-alcoholic and ammonia free product. Third, it minimizes your bacterial load on the mobile, a very important factor, and does not fade the screen of the mobile. It gives very pleasant fragrance. Number 5, it cleans dirt, dust, finger marks and sweatiness. So these are the very important factor of this product. Then next question comes, how to clean our mobiles. First remove the cover, switch off the mobile first. Then after some time we spray 3 to 4 drops of this on the mobile, front as well as back also you can do it. Then they are provided 2 cloths. These are microfiber cloths. So first you have to clean with this black one and rub only up and down, not round. Okay. After some time, when your phone becomes dry, then you use final cloth, white one. This is also microfiber, very smooth and very there is no harsh particle or nothing is there in this one. So the same way how you have cleaned the in up and down position, so you have to clean in that direction only. After this you can switch on the phone and it is ready for use. Many times we know how to clean it, but due to busy schedules we are not able to do it. So and it gives very safe for the children also. Many times our children takes our phone and we also give also phone and they keep watching any teddy bear or any movie on the our mobile, so that they will be busy and that's how we think it about. But due to this our sluggishness of the hand, or we touch many times our mobile and it is due to finger marks are there, so it is not good for their safety point of view. You need to clean this mobile frequently, weekly once, maybe twice in a week, or it depends upon your usage and how dirty is your mobile. So this is one of the very good product. I have found it after many research on products of I wanted to clean the screen, and it moreover one important is that it doesn't fade your screen also. So this is what about my review. Please, if you like, comment me in my video channel. So I will be bringing more reviews and more gadgets, like whatever I am using, whatever I have got it, so that it is a basically awareness factor, and many times we do not know which is good or which is not good. But however, you can use any product for cleaning, not only Hamsa or but you have to be see it their properties whether it is harming your screen or whether it is alcoholic. So those factors to be considered before using any chemicals or any spray basically. So thank you guys. I love you. Bye. See you.